This is verse 14 of the 10th chapter of the Gospel of Matthew. Jesus is giving instruction to the disciples in connection with their initial mission to the towns and villages of Galilee. He's indicated that if a house is worthy, it will accept and welcome these emissaries of the kingdom into the house, but he also warns that if they are not worthy, that they're not going to accept him, and that's the idea we find in verse 14. So kai, the connective, hos on. Hos is a relative pronoun, masculine singular nominative, with the on, which is connected to aeon, means if. Used with the subjunctive, taken together, they mean whoever, whatever person. So whoever, the negation made, dexetai, this is the subjunctive of dekomai, to receive, the subjunctive because of on there. So whoever not receives, whoever does not receive, humas, takes the direct object in the second person accusative plural, whoever does not receive you. Meda, here in parallel with may, so whoever does not receive you, or akuse, also in the subjunctive, third person singular, aorist, active subjunctive in both of these. Dekomai, of course, is a deponent verb, but it's active in meaning, so whoever doesn't receive you or hear. Tous, direct object, the accusative, plural, logus, who doesn't hear the words, humon, of you. And then exerkomenoi, this is from erkomai or exerkomai, to go out, to exit. Present participle, so as you are exiting would be the idea, or as you are going out, used in conjunction here with what is an adverb, called an improper adverb. Actually, it's being used as a preposition. So as you were going out, again, takes the genitive, tes oikios, out of the house, or, along with it, out of the tes polios, out of the city, as you're exiting either one, and then ekenos, the demonstrative pronoun, used to accentuate that city, so out of the house or out of that city. Ektenadzeta is from ektenaso. It's based on a root, which means to shake. So it's not based on any underlying derivative, but just to shake is the simple sense of it. So shake, tone, konior tone. This is the word that means dust. It's actually based on an underlying noun, konia, which also means dust. So shake the dust, singular. Direct object here, masculine noun. Shake the dust, tone, podon, of the feet, in the genitive plural, humon, of you. It was a custom in the ancient world as Jewish people traveled through Gentile territory. When they reached the border of Israel, they'd shake the dust off their feet because it was considered unclean, and Jesus is in effect saying this city or these people don't qualify as true Israelites if they repudiate your message of the kingdom, and so use the same ritual in connection with your visiting of that town as might be used at the borders of Israel to say that you've just disqualified yourselves from being proper Israelites because you've rejected this attested message that's come to you now of the rapidly approaching kingdom